Welcome back, pure structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into the US session. Today is February 8th, 2021, and in London should be February 9th, 2021. Today we're going to be going over S&P 500 and also gold, give you guys some levels to trade off of during the London session and some areas to look out for when you get into the US session as well. So let's go ahead and hop into it. Let's take a look at a 10 tick here on S&P 500, give you guys some ideas of what we're looking for, at least into the London session when we go in. So right now we are in a strong bullish trend. You can see nice bullish movement we've been having even all day today and last week, and we got up as high as somewhere around these 39.13 areas. You can see we're holding a little bit of resistance, but again, trend is still strongly bullish. So first idea of trade is I'm looking for the market to get right back down, maybe into this level right here at some support, and then if I can get it back to that level, I'm looking for the market to try to climb right back to the upside. At least try to press these 13s again. If it fails to get through it, then it may pull down a little bit deeper into these 94s, and potentially under that 85 to 86 is my next level of support that I'd like to see the market try to hold. Now, if we can get through that level of 39.13, then we are going to see the market try to push through. Again, I still am anticipating the market to try to climb as high as those 4,000s. So we'll see if we can actually get up to that area. But again, first area of interest is I'm looking for the market to come down into these 39.02s, and right there hold that support. If we get below that, again, next area 94, and one of the major levels of support right here at 86 to about 85 area is my next level of support under that. So that's what we're going to be looking for on S&P 500. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on S&P so we can see what's going on there. So S&P again does look like it's trying to pull a little bit down, but again, we could get a nice bullish support coming right in this area. If we get underneath this level again, we can travel back down into these 92s to 94s, and then these 86s right around here is one of the major levels that I'm looking out for some support. If we catch some support, looking for the market to try to retest the upside from there, but we'll see. Strong bullish trend, best to trade with the trend. If you're looking for the fade, you could try to look for the fade back in to these 39.02s, but again, try not to hold it too long past that level, especially if it can't get through that area, because it more than likely will try to pull right back up if it holds that support. So we'll look out for that. Let's take a look at gold here on a 10 tick chart, give us an idea of what we're trying to do here. So gold, we are moving in a bullish move or a bullish trend as well. Nice movement to the upside. I got my next level of resistance sitting right at these 1845.7. So I am looking for the market to try to pull into that level, find that resistance. If not, and it goes right through, we're going to look for 1850, and then above that 1854 even is what I'm looking for. We got some more levels above that, but we'll just keep those up for now to see what the market's going to try to do. If we get back down below, I am looking for the market to try to pull right back into the support of 1830.3. Now we got some other little minor levels, something like that, 36.3, maybe even underneath that, 32.3. That's going to be our next little minor levels of support that we're looking for. But we'll see what the market wants to do. If it stays above this level of 1840.8, we are going to look for that market to pull right back into those 45.7s as resistance. Let's take a look at a smaller chart, a 5 tick chart here on gold. You can see what's going on here on this smaller chart. We are trying to pull back to the upside from here. Again, still bullish. If we hold these 40.8s, still look for that bullish move right into our next resistance of 45.7, then 1850. And 52 to 54 is our next level. But again, underneath, we could look for the market to hold resistance under this level, and it potentially could actually break back down into those 36s, and then underneath into those 30s. So we'll see what the market gives us on S&P 500 and also gold when we move into the London session. But that is the levels that we're looking to eyeball as the market tries to come back into them. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys are, I really appreciate you guys watching and liking the videos. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube, and we will get back to you guys. You guys take care. Have a great night.